What are private and public IPs? How those are different from Elastic IP? We'll see these and much more. So please stay tuned. Private IPs, as name suggests, are private to your VPC. You cannot change them, and those are allocated from your subnet range. Public are accessible from internet. They are allocated from Amazon IP range and changes when you stop and start your instance. Elastic IPs are special IPs which you have to create first and then associate those to your instance. Elastic IPs are accessible from internet. They are almost like public. They are allocated from Amazon IP range used to retain public IP for server. So if you restart your instance after associating Elastic IP to it, then public IP won't change. Say you create a Elastic IP and did not associate that IP to any instance, then you are going to be charged. So make sure you don't let Elastic IP sitting idle there. We like proof of concept. So let's try few scenarios.
One is we'll create EC2 instance, then reboot it once and check private and public IP. It does not change. Then second is we'll stop EC2 instance and start it and again check private and public IP. In this case, private IP will remain same, but public IP does changes, right? Then here comes Elastic IP, right? Then we'll create one Elastic IP and associate that Elastic IP to instance. In this case, again we'll just repeat the same step. We'll reboot instance, and again here private and public IP will remain the same, it does not change. Then we'll stop instance, start instance. In this case as well, private and public IP does not change. In reboot anyway, in either case it doesn't change, but in stop and start, if you are allocating Elastic IP, it will remain same. And that is the use case for Elastic IP.
Let's start. Get into management console. I already explained what we are supposed to do in this tutorial, right? So I want you to follow the step. Most of the steps are self-explanatory. Just go through it and understand how these IPs behave.
Hope you learned something new today. If so, please like this video, share, leave your comment so that I know this content is helping you. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's now. Okay, see you again with yet another exciting tutorial about AWS. Keep learning, keep sharing what you learn, and thanks for watching.